The meat industry worked hard to rebrand in 2024, and we can expect to see these efforts continue into 2025. Leaning heavily on disinformation, here are 4 ways big meat tried to remain relevant. Disinformation trend number 1, meat is natural. A key PR message in 2024 was that animal products are healthier and more so-called natural than plant-based alternatives. This disinformation has been a few years in the making, and is pushed by meat industry front group, once known as the Center for Consumer Freedom, now the Center for Organizational Research and Education. The narrative, which we can expect to continue, vilifies plant-based meat as overly processed, while conveniently ignoring the very unnatural conditions involved in turning animals into meat. Disinformation trend number 2, meat is eco-friendly. Another misleading claim that caught steam in 2024 was that beef, especially from regenerative farms, is somehow eco-friendly. While regenerative agriculture does offer some benefits for soil health, it does not significantly curb emissions, and it requires an immense amount of land. Beef is also anything but eco-friendly and is the largest source of food-based emissions. Misleading claims about climate-friendly beef, like Tyson's brazen beef, were exposed in 2024. The same year, Tyson was also sued for misleading marketing, and the brazen line appears to have been abandoned. For now. Disinformation trend number 3, meat feeds the world. At climate conferences over the last year, meat industry representatives promoted the idea that industrial agriculture is essential for addressing global hunger. But critics argue that the inefficiency of feeding crops to livestock rather than directly to people actually contributes to food insecurity. A plant-based food system, on the other hand, could potentially help alleviate hunger by freeing up resources for direct human consumption. Disinformation trend number 4, trustworthy academic research supports meat. In 2024, the meat industry continued to leverage sponsored academic research to bolster its sustainability claims. Programs funded by industry groups like the National Cattlemen's Beef Association and the National Pork Board influenced public perceptions by promoting misleading solutions to meat's environmental footprint. The meat industry's aggressive rebranding efforts, fueled by clever messaging and industry-backed research, sought to counteract competition for more sustainable plant-based alternatives and more legitimate independent academic research. As environmental and health concerns about meat continue into 2025, big meat's ability to manipulate the narrative is sure to face some challenges. Still, these disinformation trends are likely to continue over the next year. We'll be watching.